Morning, fat faces. This is going to be a unboxing and first impressions of the Thermaltake H700 TG mid tower. Box is a little battered, but unopened, so let's get into it. I'll make this as quick as possible. We'll speed run. Alright. First impressions. You get the cheap styrofoam. Little popcorn flakes everywhere. Best technique. LVPC cases. Flip it upside down. Styrofoam out of the way. Instruction manual. I'm already seeing some stuff I like. I have some loose parts. It's never a good sign. Looks like shipping was subpar. Got this from Amazon. Alright, so a random loose washer. And a random loose screw. Alright. So, quick look, you'll see tempered glass with a hinge. I wonder if that's a lift-up hinge, so already doing good. Little pole marks for the peel. I guess we'll get a peel in the video. See how this goes. Actually went alright. 9 out of 10 peel. Actually, very nice front glass, actually. I just reviewed the H5 Flow, and I didn't like their mechanism. Let's try to open this up. Let's just see this. It's like a swivel handle, something you see like a drawer or something. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. Does it lift up? Yep. Lift up hinge. Big, nice open. You'll notice just right off the bat. You get 2 fans. Both black. I don't like them, but I'll probably take them out. A GPU support bracket, very nice included. Looks like a very strong base. Adjustable left, right, and back and forward. 2 hard drive cases. Rubber grommets for the first impressions. It's pretty good. I don't want to break this glass. Actually, I'll take it off. Something you expect from a $90 case. I had this for $60 on sale, but I'll go into if it's worth it, I guess, for my first impressions. But for now, it's not worth it. But I'll see. Removable PCIe covers, not the cutout push-out ones. This PSU cutout window, I dislike these. Unless you have like one of those Rogstrix PSUs that have the watt reading. I don't want to see my PSU. I'd rather just slap a sticker on the PSU probably. Looks like it has support for 3 fans at the top. This is a big case. 3 fans at the top. AAO at the front maybe. I'll have to confirm all these. Some rubber pads for the bottom. The AIO, the IO is looking like a power on button, reset button, volume mic, 2 USB Type 2s and 1 USB Type 3. I haven't seen that combo. And then one more button that says R. Once again, this first impression, I have no idea. There's an instruction manual. fits your ATX boards and your full ATX power supplies, it looks like. Go around to the back. The front's going to be blocked off. There's supposed to be some RGB, supposedly. We'll do the back next. Mine has some random tape on it for some reason. Yeah, messing this up. Alright. Little nice fabric upholstering. Pretty nice open. Once again, windowed hinges, lift up hinges for the back of the case too. Also nice. Alright. This style case is a very like workstation-esque case, you know. The front isn't glass or vented, and you won't be RGB fanning this up. You can tell it has plenty of hard drive space, so like a work type computer. Get your bag of goodies. Cable management, it has tie-down points. That's a plus. You don't get that on budget cases. One thing you do get on budget cases that you don't get on here, I suppose, is a fan hub and ARGB hub, if that's your thing. It'd be nice if it included it, especially at this price point. I think this is like 110 new or something. When it's on sale. Another hard drive spot at the very bottom. A lot of hard drive space. You probably take this out. Just have, you know, extra cable management space down here. 2 SSD spots. You know, nothing crazy. Just a lot of hard drive space. Like I said, this is more of a workstation case. I'll leave the back panel off. The front has a removable mesh magnetic top. Pretty simple stuff. The bottom, I'm feeling it has one of those. That's your loose screw. I'll have to get this all up. Looks like a hard drive screw, especially with the washer. Take a look at the bottom. You got a pull-out dust filter. Nice, not one of those cheap magnetic ones again. The feet are something to be desirable. They're plastic with, looks like stick-on pads. Soft foam, not even rubber. Kind of cheaped out there. I wonder why. It has a black and white aesthetic. You can get this in black too. Just personal preference. Alright, well, on first impressions alone, it's good. It's alright. I wonder how the airflow will go. It has very minimal airflow in the front. I'll show you. It's got this whole entire slot is vented, and then on either side you can also get vents. This could easily be done wrong and right. I've seen cases pulled off where you barely notice it, you know, compared to like a badly, you know, mesh front panel, you barely notice the difference. But hopefully it pulls off right. I have some high-end Chromax Noctua fans that would go nice in here. Yeah, I'll be coming out with a full review later. It's just a simple Ryzen build with just a workstation 1080 Ti. Alright, good night.